Well, I can't wait till he sees it. Say, where is he? I want to give it to him. I know, he's in the store.
Big Bird, don't you remember we told you? Mr. Hooper died. He's dead.
Oh, yeah, I remember. Well, I'll give it to him when he comes back.
Big Bird, when people die, they don't come back.
Ever?
Oh, hello there. Hi, I'm glad you could come back today. I've got this big problem. I've got all these bags of birdseed, and I've got to take them all to my nest. And it's going to take me an awfully long time because I have to carry them one sack at a time. Oh.
Hiya, Big Bird.
Oh, hi, Mr. Hooper.
What are you doing with these sacks?
Oh, I've got all these sacks of birdseed.
Hop, 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 hop. Oh, hello there. I'm practicing hopping on one foot.
It's time to play Journey to Ernie, where Ernie hides and Big Bird seeks.
Oh, I love Journey to Ernie. I wonder where Ernie's going to hide this time. Count to 10 with me, and no peeking. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ready or not, here we come. Now you're gonna love this, kids.